In a tragic accident, Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi has been declared dead following a helicopter crash near the Azerbaijan-Iranian border. Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian and Mohammad Ali Hashim, the representative of the guardianship of the Islamic jurists in East Azerbaijan and the Imam of Friday prayers in Tabriz, were also present in the helicopter with Raisi. The accident has left the nation in mourning as authorities continue to investigate the cause of the crash and its devastating impact on the country's leadership. Raisi's passing away poses a question over the next head of the state. Let us understand what the Iranian constitution says happens when a president is incapacitated or dies in office. According to Article 131 of the Islamic Republic's constitution, if a president dies in office, the first vice president takes over with the confirmation of the supreme leader who has the final say in all matters of state. Iran has a dual political system where the supreme leader, currently Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, holds decision-making power on all major policies. A council consisting of the first vice president, the speaker of the parliament, and the head of the judiciary must arrange an election for a new president within a maximum period of 50 days. Mr. Raisi was elected president in 2021, and under the usual timeline, a presidential election had been due to take place in 2025. Under constitutional rules, it can now be expected to take place by early July. Mohammad Mokhber, 68, Iran's first vice president, is seen as close to Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, who has the last say in all matters of state. Mr. Mokhber became the first vice president in 2021 when Mr. Raisi was elected president. Mokhber is the rightful person to step in as the acting president according to the constitutional rules. Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi, 63, along with Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian and other officials, tragically died in a helicopter crash near the Azerbaijan-Iranian border on Sunday. Officials have attributed the crash to bad weather, which also significantly impeded rescue operations that lasted over 12 hours. The state news agency confirmed that all passengers aboard the helicopter perished in the accident. The death comes at a time when Iran is already facing several challenges with dissent over a range of political and economic issues. The Iranian government faces international pressure over its ally Hamas' attack on Israel in October 2023, as well as its deepening military ties with Russia during the war with Ukraine.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.